Hey everyone, this is Cody from SpryLyfe Medical, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing for the SeQual Eclipse 5 made by Caire. First off, we're going to take everything out of the box to show you what's included in the Caire Eclipse 5 package. First things first is the travel cart. The accessory bag, your car charger, your wall charger, which comes in 2 pieces, the battery for the Eclipse 5, your user manual, the cannula, putting it down, and then your machine. Alright, so now that we have everything laid out, I'm going to show you how to set up the Eclipse 5 for your first time use. So we do have the travel cart here. The travel cart has a little rolly thing on the back that you're going to circle into the machine. The back of the machine does have a little spot for it, so you just slide this right on. Make sure that adds up. And then you just circle it on. This will keep the machine firmly attached to the travel cart. There is still an opening so that you can slide in the battery. And then last but not least, you will attach your cannula. Now you're all set and good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to turn on the Eclipse 5 for your first time use. So you just hold the power button down. It will beep on. You can change your flow setting up or down by using the plus or minus arrow. And to change from pulse flow to continuous flow, you just press that button that has the 3 lines on there to change over the flow setting. To turn off the machine, you just simply hold the power button down again. The Caire Eclipse 5 dimensions are 19.3 inches high by 7.1 inches deep and 12.3 inches wide. For the Caire Eclipse 5, it weighs in at only 18.4 pounds. It does have a pulse flow setting of 1 up to 9, as well as a continuous flow setting of 0.5 up to 3. And the battery life on pulse flow is up to about 5 hours away from the car and the wall charger. And then on continuous flow, it will be 2 hours away from the car and the wall charger. The Eclipse 5 is great for people that need a higher flow setting. If you are going to be traveling and need to use your CPAP or BiPAP machine, this machine will be compatible, so you'll be able to go and have no issues at all. It's a very, very good machine, very reliable, as well as can really cater to almost any oxygen patient that's needing oxygen. If you do like the Caire Eclipse 5 and want to be updated whenever we do have other videos come out, make sure you subscribe below, as well as hit the bell icon to be updated when we put out new videos. Most importantly, if you do like the Caire Eclipse 5 and would like to purchase one, you can give us a call or go to the website SpryLyfe.com. The phone number is down below, so you can speak with a respiratory specialist right over the phone to help you out with this machine or one of our many others.